Hi Sunshines, welcome back to my channel. I'm Artsy. Today I will be testing your knowledge of the Jamaica National Heroes. You'll have 20 questions and 3 multiple choice options for each. Don't miss the bonus question at the end. Now let's see how much you remember. Can you score 100%? Number 1. Where was Nanny buried? A. Trelawney, B. Moortown, C. National Heroes Circle. The answer is B. Moortown. Number 2. Who said, "Long live the king, but Denham must go"? A. Norman Washington Manley, B. Paul Bogle, C. Alexander Bustamante. The answer is C. Alexander Bustamante. Number 3. What's George William Gordon's place of birth? A. St. Catherine, B. Kingston, C. St. Andrew. The answer is C. St. Andrew. Number 4. Who is considered Jamaica's first national hero? A. Nanny of the Moroons, B. Mosiah Garvey, C. Sam Sharpe. The answer is B. Mosiah Garvey. Number 5. Who became the first Prime Minister of independent Jamaica in 1962? A. Michael Manley, B. Alexander Bustamante, C. Norman Washington Manley. The answer is B. Alexander Bustamante. Number 6. In what year was slavery abolished? A. 1837, B. 1838, C. 1832. The answer is B. 1838. Number 7. Which national hero instigated the 1831 Slave Rebellion? A. Sam Sharpe, B. Paul Bogle, C. George William Gordon. The answer is A. Sam Sharpe. Number 8. How many national heroes does Jamaica have? A. 9, B. 8, C. 7. The answer is C. 7. Number 9. What does UNIA stand for? A. Universal Negro Improvement Association, B. Universal Negroid Improvement Association, C. Universal National Improvement Association. The answer is A. Universal Negro Improvement Association. Number 10. What was the name of the party that Marcus Garvey started in 1929? A. People's National Party, B. National Political Party, C. People's Political Party. The answer? C. People's Political Party. Number 11. Which national hero led a protest that marched on the Morant Bay Courthouse on October 11, 1865? A. George William Gordon, B. Alexander Bustamante, C. Paul Bogle. The answer is C. Paul Bogle. Number 12. In which parish was Marcus Garvey born? A. St. Anne, B. St. Andrew, C. St. James. The answer is A. St. Anne? Number 13. Which of our national heroes founded the People's National Party? A. Alexander Bustamante. B. Norman Washington Manley. C. Marcus Mosiah Garvey. The answer is B. Norman Washington Manley. Number 14. Which national hero was the first to call for a referendum in Jamaica? A. Norman Washington Manley. B. Alexander Bustamante. C. Marcus Mosiah Garvey. The answer is A. Norman Washington Manley. Number 15. Which of the Jamaican national heroes were cousins? A. George William Gordon and Paul Bogle. B. Norman Manley and Alexander Bustamante. C. Paul Bogle and Sam Sharpe. The answer is B. Norman Manley and Alexander Bustamante. Number 16. What was the name of the estate on which the 1831 slave rebellion began? A. Rose Hall Estate. B. Greenwood Estate. C. Kensington Estate. The answer is C. Kensington Estate. Number 17. In which parish was Bustamante born? A. Hanover. B. Westmoreland. C. Trelawney. The answer is A. Hanover. Number 18. Which national hero became treasurer of the Jamaica Workers and Tradesmen Union? A. Marcus Garvey. B. Alexander Bustamante. C. George William Gordon. The answer is B. Alexander Bustamante. Number 19. Who launched the Jamaica Labour Party in 1943? A. Marcus Garvey. B. Edward Seaga. C. Alexander Bustamante. The answer is C. Alexander Bustamante. Don't forget the bonus question after number 20. Number 20. Which national hero was captured by the Portland Maroons the same day that George William Gordon was hanged? A. Paul Bogle. B. Sam Sharpe. C. Nanny of the Maroons. The answer is A. Paul Bogle. And the bonus question is: how many questions did you get correct?